How to use Google Street View app. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm gonna show you how to use Google Street View app easily and fast. First thing, after you download the app, this is the icon. Now this is the home page. As you can see, all what you have to do now is go to create down here. After you click on create, on this page right here, you will be able to import 360 photos or connect 360 camera, or even create a look around panorama standing in one location with your phone, as you can see. And here on the map, here in the explore, you can explore the map easily and fast. And as you can see, and you can see the results right here. For example, let's see this one. As you can see, you can now see it's like you are exploring here. As you can see, you can move like this, and yeah, it's so easy. As you can see, you can choose any place on the map. For example, I'm gonna choose, for example, here in the Brazil, for example, here. As you can see, you have many destinations to choose between. For example, this one. Now, as you can see, you can explore and see the place. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.